Polite expressions. Learning English. Welcome to our English language learning video series. In this video, we will focus on a crucial aspect of communication: polite expressions. Politeness plays a vital role in building rapport and maintaining positive relationships, so mastering these expressions will greatly enhance your English skills. Let's dive in. When meeting someone for the first time, it's essential to make a good impression. Let's begin by exploring some common polite expressions used during greetings and introductions. Hello! This is a universal greeting used to say hi or good day when meeting someone. Good morning, afternoon, evening. Use these expressions to greet someone at specific times of the day. It shows awareness and consideration. Nice to meet you. This is a friendly way to express pleasure in meeting someone for the first time. How are you? A classic question to show interest in the other person's well-being. Remember to listen actively to their response. Remember, when using these expressions, your tone and body language also play a significant role in conveying politeness. Practice them in different contexts to become comfortable and confident. Politeness is not only about greetings but also about expressing interest and appreciation. Let's explore some phrases to demonstrate your attentiveness and gratitude. That's interesting. Fascinating. Use these expressions to show genuine interest in what the other person is saying. I appreciate your help, effort. This phrase acknowledges someone's assistance or hard work and shows gratitude. Thank you very much. A simple yet powerful way to express appreciation. Remember, saying thank you goes a long way in building positive relationships. By incorporating these expressions into your conversations, you will create a welcoming and friendly atmosphere, fostering better communication. Being polite is also essential when making requests or offering assistance. Let's learn some phrases to handle these situations politely. Could you please? Starting your request with this phrase adds politeness and makes it sound more like a favor than a demand. I would be happy to help. Use this expression when offering assistance to someone. It shows willingness and consideration. May I ask a question? This phrase seeks permission to ask something, ensuring you are respectful of the other person's time and attention. Remember, being polite while making requests or offering help shows respect and consideration, leading to smoother interactions and cooperation. Congratulations on completing this lesson on polite expressions in English. Politeness is a key aspect of effective communication, and by incorporating these expressions into your vocabulary, you will create stronger connections with others. Practice using these phrases in your daily conversations, and soon you'll notice the positive impact they have on your relationships. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your English language learning journey.